Hello guys, how are you doing? I'm just from waking up and I'm flipping $100 accounts. I'm doing a flip. Yeah, actually this is my first flip to post here on YouTube. $100 to let's wait and see. How much can Bigboss flip? Click more sales. Yeah, when market has entered into a trend, you just go adding orders when you know a selling trade has started or a buying trade has started. Don't panic. You just go selling anywhere you are because it can retrace more than 30 pips on a good selling trend. So it's now 3 minutes past 10:30. Just from waking up. So this is my first trade of the day. Actually, I just want to flip this account. So if I flip it to like how much should I flip it to? Don't know. Oh, if I flip it to because I'm doing a flip like literally. I want to flip this to how much? 2x? No, I don't know. My flips are always crazy, so if I get a good flipping entry, so I just become someone else. An entry like this, I can flip to hell, bro. For real, for real. Now you should. The problem of flipping comes here. You enter trades, and the more market is going down, we're going to add in more orders. When that market retraces, like let's say 100 pips against you, and let's say you were just going adding orders downwards as market was going on your direction, a small pullback, you blow all your profits. So flipping is a skill. You need to know how are you going adding the orders downwards, 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 downwards. Like you see, I've added orders here. Market has retraced. If it retraces and even it retraces against my main entries here, chances of blowing that account are very, very, very high. Are you seeing that? So, how you add orders when you're trying to flip an account is something you should be very keen with. Because I've added account here, so meaning this is an entry here. So any pullback from my entry level means the profit I was making, I'm losing it. I'm trying to teach you how to flip an account. Adding orders, you just don't add orders where you are. No. Someone like me, I know break of this price point, it will retest and continue downwards. So where will I add more orders? On this banking level, I add on the orders on this banking level. I add more orders on what banking level? There, and then my take profit is around here. That is if I will hold to level -1, which is 4073.63. That is basically what I will do. Flipping, you just don't, and make sure your sniper is end. You are having a sniper entry, as you can see mine there. I should take a screenshot actually, like that. Yeah, let me keep that. Uh-huh. This- mm, Sometimes trading is not boring as such. If you're making money, trading can't be boring at all. It will never be boring at all. That is a break of level negative of level one. Anticipating what? Market to sell more. Flipping an account, you need a sniper entry. You need a sniper entry because if you don't have a sniper entry, then how will you flip an account? How will you flip an account? Honestly, just asking. I'm just asking as an innocent boy. Uh huh. So I know there is a retracement which will happen around there. And so wait, I marked this correctly. So there is an error here. Supposed to be 100. We boom, nini unafanya? Wachana mimi kijana, kijana, wachana na mimi kijana, ngwachana na mimi, ngwachana na mimi, ngwachana na mimi. Mhm. Okay. Ngwachana na mimi, ngwachana na mimi, ngwachana na mimi. So I'll just enter more cells there because I know even if it will retrace to 4100. I don't have a problem with that. We are flipping, so I'm cool with that retracement of around $2 per every entry I've entered. So it's not a problem. I'm cool. That's how you go calculating your nini. If you're adding more positions and you need to be sure of what the hell you're doing. I think now I will not add any other order. That's enough, actually. Let's see how much we are making. 74, 83. So we're almost flipping it. We're almost flipping. Doubling the account, that is. And still we're going down. Mm. Now. As we are doing this trade now, I think it's high time I teach you something. You know, when I'm trading, like some important things just come out of my mind, just talking to. So there is something we call chart alignment. You guys, you will need to align yourself with the charts. Work on yourself. Forex market is not easy. I think Kenyans, you see a lot of Kenyans who are watching this. I think you see the CME reports about forex trading. Mind you, that data does not have information of brokers which are not regulated in Kenya. They just give data of only brokers which are regulated in Kenya only. So this is how you trade like the big boss. This is how you trade like the big boss. You don't panic, you're just there. You just calculate your banking level, you just cool and you just wait price to go there. I'm sure you have flipped. See, that's my account. 131. We have already flipped the account, guys. I've already flipped the accounts. Mm-hmm. And it's just my first trade of the day. And I'm just cool. Just cool, man. Just cool. When you know market is on a trend, you can enter anywhere. Anywhere. Because someone like me, I know what's happening actually. And market is dumping without saying sorry. It will just dump. And I'm happy for that. Mm-hmm. Ulikuwa na kielelea kubwa ukienda wapi na hujatap level -1. Hiyo ndio hata ilikuwa inanishangaza. You haven't tapped level -1. Sahi market is trading around the opening price of half of that 1 hour candle here 10. Because I know 11 a.m. your candle it will just dump goodly. It will dump nicely, so I'm cool. Oh, me, I'm just cool too. Sema, I'm just cool too. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I've told you, if there will be a retracement, it will be a retracement to 4100 only. Yeah. Just go low. Dun, 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 dun. Inajifanya hapa inajua kuplay rough. Let me show you it's nothing like that. Sio hata hiyo haina weak. It's gonna calm down. Na hiyo move down ndio nita add more orders. Yeah, for real. Yeah, okay. Close that candle now. Small retracement. Nice one. Now that move down is now where I'm going to add more orders. Yes, that one now. Add more orders. I'm teaching you how to flip. Yeah. You wait for a retracement before you enter. Hiyo candle unataka kunimaanisha imenifake. Yeah, hiyo candle imenifake. Shit. But it's a flip, adding positions. It's not a sniper entry, so you allow yourself to get into drawdowns. It's not a bad thing. Yeah. Hiyo candle imenifake. Hi. I've been faked by one stupid candle. But I don't have a problem. I can allow that market to go to 4100 because there is where the banking level is. But I know there is high chances it won't go there. High chances it won't go there. Let's wait and see. I could have just waited for a down candle to form so that I can enter. Because that's enough retracement. Yeah. But ni sawa tu. It's okay. I'm not a panicker. I don't panic when I'm trading, man. Like I I am the coolest person you will ever met when I'm on a trade. If I place just a buy, I become cold. Like zero emotions. I don't even care. I don't care about the outcome. If I lose money, I know I am on a business where losing money is part of my life and I have agreed to do that. You're a trader, you don't accept losses, you don't want even to go into a drawdown. What kind of a trader are you? Every trade you enter, as long as you're trading SMC, ICT, or something which I don't know, high chances you will be encountering drawdowns. And the drawdowns can lead to your account being blown and trade going to your side. I keep telling people trading has like a has a lot of chapters. Like it depends on which chapter of trading you are in. Chapter 1 is when you learn about what is forex introduction, you get introduced to leverage and stuff. Chapter 2, you start learning about stochastics, moving average. Everyone goes through that. Unless you had a mentor before, like you just got into forex and you just paid a mentor direct. Maybe we'll skip those bullshit, some of those stupid bullshit. Maybe. But even a good mentor should teach you that. Should teach you about stochastics, SMC, ICT, even knows. Like, he should teach you all those things because those are introduction to trading. And after now you learn the introduction to trading is now when you come to the order flow. Where are the banks entering? Where are the banks entering? Where are the banks orders? Where is the main liquidity points lying? It's not highs and lows of when you see this. You see, people when they see this, oh, liquidity is down here because you have this. No, liquidity point can even be here. Yeah, it can be anywhere. So don't be deceived. Yeah, I want you to sit on the chart. Sit on the chart and try to find out why today I got this level 4006.01. Why? 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 Which calculations led Bigboss to there? And that is the work you are avoiding. And one person who I will make sure you work. You work actually. I will make sure you are working. Yeah. So I want you to open your own mind. Your mind actually. That is what I want you to open you up. Uh-huh. It's very much okay. Though market is still going down. Market is still going down. We have already done $100, like we have already flipped the account. We just want to 10x or do something which is crazy. Yeah, I am the big boss, man. The big boss. I do crazy things, man. So let's wait and see the profit. 159, 166, $112 to 284. So it's not harassing. Relax, new punk. This is the big boss, man. And how I trade is crazy. How I trade? It's crazy. And remember, I'm flipping within how many minutes? I entered around 10:27, 10:25 around here. I was entering. So let's say I will take this 10:20. I will just say entering 10:22. I will calculate the time actually within how many minutes we are done. That is power of market when it taps any banking level, unless they will want to kushinda wameconsolidate price, which I don't think they want to do. Yeah, but let's wait and see. This is the zero level. I need to mark another level hapa chini. No, sio hiyo. Kanikapiwa analysis ingine 4084, 4084. Yeah, 4084. Hi, how? Mbona hii? How? Ni 8784 nilikuwa nishangaa. 4084.87.3. 7.3. Market is still dumping. I'm in. Just in. Just cool. Just chilled too. Yeah. I am tired now. I told you, you should be asking yourself when you are trying to do what I'm doing. Bigboss had 4106.01. How? Which calculation led him to that banking level? Instead of just sitting there and you want me to post some illegal things on YouTube, you should be doing them yourself. If some of this information is posted online, the banking algo will notice, and it will start manipulating a lot of what we are trading. And that some things they are never said online. So, and other things I will never even say. I have to just keep that to myself. The honor. Unless now I'm much touched, but even if I'm touched, there are some things I can't even. I will teach you something which you can make a lot of damn fucking money with if you pay attention to what I'm showing you. But leveling up to the big boss level, it will take you a lot of time. But you can go into the charts and now start coming up with your own things, trying to come up with your own strategies and learning how to trade. Actually, I was asking one of the student on my class, we have been trading for 2 years. What's that one unique thing you have seen in the market which you feel other people they don't know? Like this market is very huge. Like you have been here for 5 years. You haven't discovered your own thing, even if it's candle formation. Because candle formation, let me tell you something you don't know. This market is evolving. The candlestick which were being formed in 1960, like let's say 2002, 2000, like during the beginning of the market, they no longer work nowadays because market is evolving. Market is learning how to form new candles. There are candles which you see them, I can see a candle in 1 minute time frame, and I tell you today bias is bullish. Today bias is bearish. Mhm. Now I was teaching you how to flip accounts. Now when market has broken some of this banking level, now I don't add more entries. I just let the entries I have entered to run by themselves. Uh-huh. And a flipping setup should not have huge retracements. Because if you have huge retracements and you're trying to flip, trust me, if you go adding more orders in that market makes a huge retracement, you will get fucked up. More not lying. Let's now go and check how much we have flipped. Uh-huh. 395, 400. We are almost $100 to 400 in a span of just a few minutes actually. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Let's wait and see. Text him. One. Mm-hmm. I, why? Why do you hate? That's my watching something. Huh. Hii imeamua kuretrace na. Uh, but I don't panic. I'm just chilled, man. 1 minute candle retracement can make you panic, but this is the big boss. Just cold, cold. Uh-huh. Why that speed? Naijatapata level hapo chini. So what do? Just be like see, listen. See how I'm talking. Do I look like someone who is panicking? Hell no. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Actually, I will add more cells there until not enough money. Yeah, that is understanding the candle language. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Understanding candle language na hiyo candle hata ija close. Wacha close kwanza tuone. Yes, closed. Mm-hmm. Will it do us the favor? Ama itaanza kuretrace against us? I don't know. Let's just watch the market. Mm-hmm. 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 Eh, Hapo na ikifanya any stupid retracement, I will just close. Where the hell is this? 075. I'm watching my minutes counting on the other side, and it is terrifying me. I am scared. Hi. What do you want? Kwani, what do you want? You sell, man. What's the time? It's 11 a.m. Kama ni 11 market inadam. Hata sikuwa naangalia time. Hebu nifungue 1 hour candle nione. Kama ni 11 a.m. we are dumping. How about Gen Z? Hakuna vile hiyo market ingerudi. Hey. Sitaki hizo stupid retracements. Sizitaki. Kama market ija tap level for 287, I don't want to see these stupid retracements. Yeah. Like haina buy orders kama ija tap for 287. Ikitap for 287 ikose ku boom down, I will just get out. How about Gen Z? How about Gen Z? There are a lot of Gen Z traders currently in the world. Actually, a lot of Gen Z are doing day trading. Boom! Kaboom! Our TP. Kuna TP hapo imekuwa hit. Ikijaribu kuretrace. Get out now. 300. Close position. Then done. See you tomorrow, guys. We are done. Though I know it will continue with selling, but to make our flip. See you tomorrow.